Hello everybody, my name is Quadarius Whitson and I'm a senior here at JSU majoring in Family Consumer Science.
Hi, my name is Samantha. I'm a junior and here at JSU and my major is Hospitality and Culinary Management. And today we're going to be making healthy fudge. So what you're going to need is a cup of coconut oil. Okay, now that you get your cup, you're just going to pour it in the bowl. Then you're going to do about a cup of cocoa powder. Dump it in here. And then you're going to do about 3/4 cups of honey. You're going to mix it all together. And you can put it in the microwave if you want to help for it. And then after you're done mixing, you're just going to pour it in the bowl and stick it in the freezer overnight.
And after that, here's our finished product. As you can see, we've already cut it out and put it on the plate. And we're going to give this thing a try for you guys.
Wow, it really tastes like fudge.
It really does. So this is just a simple 3-ingredient fudge that you can make. It's high in antioxidants, so if you're trying not to get sick, this is a really great thing. And also, if you are one of those people that are trying to conform to the keto diet, this is a very great option for that as well. Thank you guys for joining us and making some healthy fudge. Check out #JSUSCS for more recipes.